Hey guys, today I'm showing you guys another tutorial on how to use Google Drawing this time. So first you're going to want to go Google Drawing, and you're going to go the first one, and then you'll have all these tools. First you have images, and it's an image. You go upload from computer or search the web. Upload is like files. Oops, wrong one. Oh, this is a comment, by the way, so you can put yeah. You can say comment, and you have it. And then the images you could upload from computer. I already said that. Search the web. You could put emoji, and if you search it, there you go. You have a lot of different pictures. So then there's a text box. If you go like this, you can go, just put super cool gamer D. Then let's put this up a little. So let's go like that. But then let's go 60. 72. Then let's extend it so then it shows the whole thing. Let's do that more. We can go like this then. But actually, let's go like this and let's upload this from computer. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't even explain the tools here. Basically, right here you have the size of it, the size of the font, what the font looks like, bold, slanted, underlined, and then the color of it, and you have highlighter too. See? And then right here you have border dash. Go like that. Look, if you go like this, there we go. Looks different, huh? And then you got all these. So let's just keep them normal though. Right here you could like make it like bolder, but the corners of it. So yeah, let's keep it like that. Color. Wait, this is the color of the background. Look, see? And wait, oops, wrong thing. If we go like this, then also we have the whole thing, like the background of it. So if we go black, there we go. We can't see anything. Let's go pink. No, let's go purple. No, let's go red. But then let's turn this to dark red. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. And then, well, let's turn this purple. That looks cool. And then you have lines. You just put lines. Let's go Control Z, Control Z, Control C, and then let's go out of here. Oops. Let's go here. This you could just go back to your mouse. This is lines. You could pick what line. This shapes. You see, there's even face. Arrows, all these arrows, call outs, a lot of these call outs, equations, math signals and stuff. And then right here is text box. I already explained that. But let's add a circle. Okay, let's add a circle. Where is it? Right here. Let's add a circle like that. But then let's get this, and then let's go Control C, delete it, go here, Control V. Now we have it on top of that. Nice. If we put it like right there, it'll look pretty cool. It'll look really cool actually. Let's turn it a little small. Let's turn the font a little smaller, like at 60. So then we can go like that and like that. Then there we go. I messed it up though, so let's go like that. But Then we have to extend this more. So let's extend this more, just a little bit. Nice. Then let's change the color of this. Let's do purple, you could say. But let's move this down so you can't see the corners. Nice. And then let's try to make a logo. So if you go curve, go like this, but then you can also go like this. And then we can go like this, and like this, like this, and this, and this. That look pretty cool. Oh, oops. That look pretty cool. And we could put this red, like this, purple. And look at this. You have a logo. It's pretty cool. It is pretty cool indeed. So then what you're gonna do is, also edit is, you know, put something like that. Then there's also delete. You can delete it or link to this comment where you put a link. And then reply right there. You could reply to their comment. But after, if you go file, you go new. Wait, no. If you go, if you go here and then you go drawing, you'll have another Google Drawing. That's pretty cool, huh? But no, that's not what we're gonna be doing. We are going to be, let's see, where is it? Downloading this PDF document. And there we go. It's just gonna be starting to download this. And yeah, this was a tutorial on how to use Google Drawing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.